Hi, I'm G.I. Joe, and I'm gonna go for a ride without a seatbelt.
Don't do it, Joe. Seatbelts reduce the risk of death by 45% and cut the risk of serious injury by 50%. Yeah, don't do it, Joe. People not wearing seatbelts are 30 times more likely to be ejected from a vehicle during a crash.
Yeah, Joey. 53% of drivers and passengers killed in car crashes in 2009 were not wearing restraints. Don't do it, man. Yeah, Joey, don't do it. It's too dangerous. Woof woof. Yeah, but like I always say, seatbelts are just like leg muscles. Who needs them? Let's roll out.